I have owned several smartphone gimbals in the past, but I wasn't happy with most of them, mainly because I just find them not to be so good when it comes to their movements, which limits the way I shoot and stabilize videos. But the real issue is that most smartphone gimbals are made and optimized for iPhones, which I don't blame brands for doing so because the iPhone is undeniably the most popular smartphone for shooting videos. But hey, Android phones are catching up in that part, and fortunately, Insta360 recognizes that potential and has made the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro to be the most versatile smartphone gimbal that I have ever used for the past month. So let me tell you why this is the smartphone gimbal you should buy. The Insta360 Flow 2 Pro has many improvements over the previous model, and one thing that I really like is the improved ergonomics of the handle, in which the original Flow feels a little difficult to handle if you have big hands, and you will need to extend the tripod legs for a better grip. And speaking of that, the Flow 2 Pro has a more sturdy and longer tripod legs that's great if you are using a heavy smartphone. The gimbal can also be used as a selfie stick, but one big upgrade is to be able to do a tilt shot and a 360-degree rotation, which is the very first smartphone gimbal to be able to do so. The Flow 2 Pro uses a magnetic clamp as usual for Android phones, and it handles the Honor Magic 7 RSR and Galaxy S25 Ultra very well. For iPhone users, you're getting this super convenient MagSafe phone mount that you can just snap onto the gimbal without the need to balance the weight. The mount even serves as a solid kickstand for consuming content, which I really appreciate. This mount should also work with other Android phones if your phone case has magnets. Like every other smartphone gimbals, the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro gives a lot of love to iPhone users. Aside from being able to support Dolby Vision and Apple ProRes video recording on the Insta360 app, it is also the very first smartphone gimbal to support Apple Dock Kit, which enables subject tracking on the native camera app and over 200 apps on iOS. This is helpful as you don't need to have the Insta360 app installed in order to use the gimbal's function and subject tracking feature. For Android phones, Insta360 sells an AI tracker that attaches to the gimbal's USB-C port. You can have it start tracking subjects by doing a palm gesture and trigger the camera shutter with a peace gesture. It also has a bi-color soft light and 3-level brightness control that brightens up your shot, which I think is a very decent accessory that you should consider buying with the Flow 2 Pro, and it tracks subjects more accurately than Apple Dock Kit. However, the full potential of the Flow 2 Pro lies in the Insta360 app, which the company has introduced several new features that lets you do creative shots. You can easily do a barrel roll shot by just holding and pressing the C button, an infinite pan shot by short pressing the same button, and do a dolly zoom shot on your subjects. What really impresses me the most is the AI-powered Deep Track 4.0, which can track moving subjects when zoom in, and it never loses track of them, all thanks to the 360-degree panning movement of the gimbal. There's a Pro Framing Grid feature that lets you frame and track your subjects to give your shot a different aesthetic using the golden ratio composition. Finally, if you're someone that's shooting solo, you can connect a secondary smartphone to monitor your shot without the need to install the Insta360 app. There's also a useful teleprompter feature in the app if you need it. The only issue I encountered with the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro is when I have a wireless mic receiver attached to my phone's USB-C port and shooting in portrait, as larger receivers like the DJI Mic 2 can affect the tilting movement, which can be a hassle if I want to make fast movements. But that isn't an issue when I use the Hollyland Lark M2's receiver, which is a lot smaller than the DJI Mic 2's. The Flow 2 Pro offers a 10-hour battery life that can last me several shooting sessions. The battery is also large enough to offer my iPhone 16 Pro a 20% charge in emergency situations. Though I wish it can be fast charged, as its 10-watt input only gets it up to 80% in an hour. But that's just a very minor issue that I can simply dismiss for its great battery life. The Insta360 Flow 2 Pro is one of the most user-friendly smartphone gimbals I've used, and it can be a very helpful gadget whether you're doing solo shots or travel videos that require great image stabilization and subject tracking. It starts at 759 ringgit in Malaysia, which I feel is a very reasonable price to pay for the ease of use and features you're getting. Although it is priced higher than the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 Pro, the compatibility with Android phones, advanced AI tracking, and creative shooting features are the reasons that you will want to consider owning one. So that's all for my review of the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. Subscribe to our channel if you love our content and give us a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one.